The next thing that you want to pay attention to is this. Don't allow what you see on Instagram to influence you. You see, but whatever you see on Instagram or whatever you see on Instagram is not living below their means. They are living above their means. Now, what this means is that whoever you see on Instagram, if he or she has 100 million, they appear like they have a 200 million. Now, if they The easiest and the fastest way for you to become a FOREX millionaire is to simply change your mindset. You see, but there's a mindset for you to become a millionaire, and there's a mindset for you to stay broke and poor. Now, if you watch my previous video, you see how I was able to analyze GBP USD and as well USDHL for us to make this profit, and even this profit. I'm going to share with you the mindset that was able to sustain me to hold this profit, not to cut my profit short, and as well to allow this trade to run in profit. But before going into that, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Divine, and what I basically do on this channel is to document how I trade and as well show you the mindset behind my strategy. If you want to be seeing content like this, I want you to like, subscribe, and as well drop a comment. I'll be right back. Now, the first thing first I want you to bear in mind is that the money that I'm using to trade is not the money I'm trying to use to survive. And now when I mean money that I'm trying to use to survive, I simply mean it's not the money that I'm using to pay my rent. It's not the money I'm using to buy food for myself. It's not the money I'm using to pay my school fees, or it's the money I'm trying to use to sort an urgent need at the moment. Now, this is the money I'm just not using for anything at the moment. Now, the reason for this is to simply keep me calm while I'm trading. There's this amount of calmness that you need to have when you're trading because the market is very dynamic. There are times that are going to be seeing blues. You need to stay calm. And the time you're going to be seeing red, you need to stay calm. This prevents you from making impulsive decisions. Now, let's for instance say you're trading with the money for your house rent or maybe money for your school fees. You'll be quick to gamble that money to make bigger profit, and as well, you're going to be quick to see how you can even cause yourself to lose the money. Now, what this does is that if you're trading with money that you're meant to use for your school fees, you're going to be impulsive in your trading. Let's for instance, you open a trade. First of all, you might even be scared of opening the trade because you're not sure of the setup. You're going to be confused or not. You're going to be very uncertain about this particular setup. And now, if you eventually open the trade, you begin to panic. And if market goes into small profits, you tend to close up that small profit and see how you can even enter again. So you begin to gamble yourself in the market. Or maybe if market is going against you, you simply hold the trade, hoping that market is going to simply come back to your take profit or give you little profit so you can close a little profit, and then you accumulate bigger losses. So trading with money that you're using to survive is not the best advice I'll give to any trader. What you can do is simply see how you can scale up your capital and get bigger money that you can use to make bigger profit in the market. Now, the next thing you have to bear in mind is to see how you can build quality relationship with people. You see, but for you to become a millionaire, you simply need to have millions in your account. You simply need to have asset that's worth millions, and you simply need to have net worth that is worth millions. And the way to achieve the net worth is to simply see how you can build quality relationship with people. If you have a relationship with people, things are a bit easier for you. Whatever money can solve, relationship can solve it as well too. So in as much as you are trying to see how you can make money, also see how you can be able to build relationship with people. For instance, if I had relationship with people who are very influential, like maybe the top YouTuber or maybe the top forex traders in Nigeria, it's simply going to become easier for me to build the community I'm trying to build here on YouTube. You see, building quality relationship is very important, and it helps you as much as money can help you. For you to become a millionaire, you simply need to have a quality relationship with people that have millions. Now, the next thing you want to have in mind is for you to be able to always see how you can reanalyze yourself. Now, aside trading and aside business, whatever you do in life or whatever you do anywhere else, you always want to see how you can realize yourself in every mistake you make. Now, if for instance I make profit or I make losses, I always tend to go back to my trade to see why I made these losses. What would I have done? What should I have not done? Why did I do this? What happened? It's called trying to self-analyze yourself and take the feedback and improve yourself. You don't really you reanalyze yourself. You take the feedback that you get and see how you can use it to, improve yourself. Same thing goes with the chessboard. If I'm playing on a chessboard and I lose on a particular game, I always go back to that chessboard to see what I would have done right or what I did wrong that made me to lose out. It's trying to see how you can improve yourself by simply reanalyzing yourself day by day. Now, the next thing that you want to bear in mind is for you to simply not allow things that you see on Instagram to influence you. You see, but nobody on Instagram is living below their means. Everybody here on Instagram is living above their means. Now, what this means is that whoever you see on Instagram, if he has 100 million naira in his account, he appears like he has a 200 million in his account. If he has a 20 million in his account, he appears like he has a 40 million in his account. And if he has a 10 million in his account, he appears like he has a 20 million in his account. Nobody is actually living below their means on Instagram, but yet everybody's living above their means. So don't allow what you see on Instagram to influence you in a way. It can only inspire you, but don't allow it to influence you and come into you to become what you're not. Now, the next thing you want to bear in mind is that you simply need to invest in knowledge. You see, but no matter how much, no matter what you know about forex or no matter what you know about a particular business, there's always one thing more that you don't know. So investing yourself in knowledge, investing and reinvesting yourself and putting in knowledge into yourself is the best thing you can do. Have conversation with people that's going to help your mindset. Have conversation with people that's going to, help you in your mindset, the way you think. Read books that's going to help your mindset, do things that's definitely going to help you improve in your mindset, because the more you go, the better the more you see that there's more to learn. That business you think you're perfect in, there's more that you need to learn in that business. And you cannot find that out if you don't invest in knowledge or invest in yourself. Invest in yourself so you can be able to speak with people who are very valuable. For instance, now for you to speak to Tony Emelu, there's a particular level of value you need to bring to the table. If you don't invest in yourself, you won't be able to achieve that value that you need to be in that kind of atmosphere with Tony Emelu, or even maybe Happy FOREX and Jeffrey Benson. I'm giving this for an example. So always try to see how you can always invest in yourself. I think this will be all for this video. If you find this content very useful, I'd like you to subscribe, drop a comment, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video. You will see me in the next video. Peace.